Dental implants, in my opinion, are by far one of the most awesome advancements in modern dentistry. It allows us to be able to replace a tooth or a section of teeth or a whole row of teeth with something that's an artificial tooth root made out of titanium. And it's amazing progress in dentistry. What we're doing is we're recreating creation. Every tooth has a root in your mouth. And so all we're doing when you lose a tooth is putting that root back in there. And we're going to put a tooth right back on top of it. And when you do that, your mouth is able to function as it was originally intended. Whenever we do things where we're hooking a bunch of teeth together or putting bridges and partials to replace missing teeth, we are expecting a lot more out of teeth than we otherwise would have expected of them. And so they're having to work harder. The more that's expected out of teeth, the faster they're going to wear out. That's why partial dentures don't work that good long term. It's because they wear the teeth out. They break teeth. They snap the teeth. And implants don't do that. Implants are able to keep the problem localized and allow us to be able to restore someone's bite and smile in a way that looks natural and it functions well. A lot of times people think that when there's a tooth that's missing in the back, that it's no big deal because you can't see it. The problem with that is that there are repercussions to not having the tooth there. A lot of times the teeth will shift together, they'll drift at an angle and the bite will start to get messed up. A lot of times the bone will resorb, and so the bone is not adequate for implant placement later, and you have to do bone grafting in order to be able to come back later to place the implant and move the teeth back around. So being able to restore the space with an implant allows you to maintain what was really intended there to begin with, which is a natural tooth. And even though the implant is not natural, it recreates that natural tooth feel, that chewing surface, and the aesthetics of a natural tooth.